We are reviewing this human anatomy tutorials and lectures along with all the reference books that are offered chapter by chapter at the end of each one of them. We also have Atlas of Anatomy and many other research work. The regional anatomy, systemic anatomy, clinical anatomy is taking in consideration anatomical medical terminology and learning as we go. Anatomical position, anatomical plane, terms of relationship and comparison, terms of laterality, terms of movement, structure of terms, abbreviations of terms, anatomical variations, skin, fascia, skeletal systems, bone, joints, muscular system, skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, cardiovascular system, arteries, veins, capillaries, lymphatics, nervous system, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system, including medical imaging techniques, radiography, computed tomography, ultrasonography, magnetic resonance imaging, nuclear medicine imaging, surface anatomy, medical imaging, along with different cases we are studying.